Hey everyone out there in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Thanks for tuning in once again at my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. If you're into car stuff, well, you found the right page, so make sure to hit subscribe down below. Today's a fun one, another auction day. I actually have already come back from the auction, had a great day, had a lot of fun, bought something that I really didn't think I was going to end up with, but I'm kind of pumped about it. It's a little fun, and I'm having a good time with it. So that's what this video is about. It's about an Audi A5 that I just couldn't get past at the auction. I couldn't believe somebody would do something to this car, but I ended up buying it because no one else was bidding on it. So check out the video, follow me. We're going to get going in just a minute. But before I begin, you guys know the game. What am I driving today? It's an oldie but a goodie. So you know how it works. You get it right, I give you a shout out on the next video. I obviously made the last one way too easy, even though I thought it was going to be extremely difficult for you guys. So anyway, let's get going with the video, and we'll talk about this A5 auction car that was a complete abomination of vehicles for add-ons. I think Pep Boys exploded on this car. Let me tell you the story about it. You all know me. You know I love the Audis. I got to show you this A5 at the auction today because I'm so disappointed in it. I really want to know what you guys think about it. It is right behind. So right off the bat, it's a decent looking A5. They put some carbon fiber add-ons to the front bumper, a little Decepticon transformer badge in the front, but it gets a lot worse. So check this out. We got the leather wrapped mirror. Okay, can still go with that. But then we have the chrome stick-ons here, chrome stick-ons here. It gets worse. Carbon fiber stick-ons there. We got the shifters. Carbon fiber stick-ons all over the dash, the Audi seatbelt cover, then we have carbon fiber stickers, then we have gecko stickers on top of that, big giant freaking chrome wheels. Oh, I didn't even notice the purple painted caliper cover, speckled purple. Okay, here we go. You thought that was it? I don't even know what that fits on or what it came off of, but at least it's removable. Then we have the carbon fiber wing, unfortunately it's just stuck on there with a sticker. It's not even bolted on. Tinted taillights, which is illegal in my state. They removed the A, so is it just a 5? Giant exhaust, carbon fiber diffuser on the back. It keeps going. It keeps going. Chrome everywhere. What a disappointment this car is from something that used to be really nice. So the good thing is most of that's removable. So I'm gonna hope that nobody wants it because it's so damn ugly. I could buy it, take it back to my shop, take all that stuff off, and make some money with it. Let's see what it goes for at auction. Starting bid at $9 grand, but no real money on it. $5 grand is the first bid. I'll go $5,100 on it. $5,300 on it. That's me. $5,500 on it is me. I'm the high bidder at $5,500. See you later. So I did end up getting that A5, $6 grand plus auction fee. Submitted for like $6,300, $6,200, which honestly is probably more than I really want to spend. But I think that's probably a $9,000 car. The good news is the original wheels are in the trunk, the original exhaust is in the trunk, and all that stuff is stick-on. So we're gonna take it back to the shop, go through it, pull all that garbage off, see what it looks like, cleaned up and ready. So I ended up buying that A5 at the auction today. Let's talk about it a little bit. First of all, let's mention the elephant in my car. The sunroof works, but it has this little vent shade that is ripped, so it's just hanging behind me. All right, so I bought this car because realistically, it's a $9,000 car pretty easily. I can get $9,000 for this car, and it is ugly as F because somebody spent a ton of money and time putting stickers all over it. Well, stickers are good because I can just remove stickers. So I'm going to take off the gecko stickers, the carbon fiber stickers outside. I'm going to take off that big giant spoiler. Well, I bought it from the Audi dealership. So a couple good things that really make me want this car. Well, first of all, it was traded into the Audi dealership, meaning this person had enough money to buy another Audi, which is probably pre-owned, certified pre-owned from Audi, which means they have a little bit of money, so hopefully they took care of this car. Well, if they had enough money to take care of, to buy a new car at Audi, like I said, hopefully they have enough money to take care of this car. Well, talking to the Audi dealer that sold this at the auction, that's a $1,500 spoiler. So the guy didn't buy just stickers. He put a $1,500 spoiler on. He put on brand new chrome wheels with brand new tires. There are a lot of expensive upgrades that I'm going to remove and sell. So if you guys want some 20-inch chrome wheels, big giant carbon fiber spoiler or anything like that, hit me up because it's for sale. This car's going back to stock. Let me tell you the other good thing about this car. So I paid right around $6 grand for it. let me show you what's behind the curtain. Oh yeah, that right there would be an extra set of the original 18-inch wheels with excellent tires and the factory exhaust. So this car has a 3.2 liter V6, 265 horsepower. The guy put an aftermarket exhaust on. You know, it's pretty ricey. If you've heard the S4 that I bought a few weeks ago, that car really wowed me, really put a smile on my face. Even my S5 is a ton of fun with stock exhaust. It sounds good, has a nice rumble. This 3.2 liter, I mean, it's like a normal 6-cylinder with a loud exhaust, so it's a little annoying. So I might put the factory exhaust back on. Realistically, let me shut the radio off. Realistically, I am going to bring this car back to stock, and I should be able to get 9,000 plus for it because it just turned 100,000. It's 100,858 miles. It's an 09. Easily $9,000 to $10,000 car once I remove all the stickers. Now, comparatively, from this to my S5, I absolutely love my S5. What I'm noticing here, no paddle shifters on the car. I love my paddle shifters. It's so much fun on the back roads. This has just the simple Tiptronic where you push it over here and then tap it forward and back. The thing that I like about this car, these are stickers, just gonna peel that off. This, he spent a lot of money putting this shifter, this sewn custom shifter on here, and I'm just gonna cut it off because underneath is the original factory shifter knob on it, so that's good. The only thing I'm not sure about, and I want your opinion on, all of these carbon fiber stickers, they're like rubber. Would you guys peel those off or just leave it? If I peel them off, it might leave like some type of debris, like a sticky film, and I really don't want that to happen. So I'm kind of curious as to whether I should remove the carbon fiber or keep it. All in all, I'm going to take it back to my shop. We're going to do a state inspection on it. It has a current inspection sticker on it, which is huge. Just passed in March, and it's May now, so 2 months ago the car passed inspection, which is great for me. Extra set of wheels, factory exhaust. I think this car is a winner, and I kind of saw that. I saw through the ugly when I first saw the car. Well, for now, let's drive it, have some fun, and go check it out at the shop. So I'm walking up to the A5. I gotta have you guys see this car because I really want your opinion on it. I don't know what to do because the more I look at it, the more I'm starting to like it. Obviously, it has way too much stuff going on with it, but it has these giant 20-inch wheels, deep dish. I got my man detailing it over there, German. But I got the deep dish chrome wheels with brand new tires on it. The wing's going, but I'm gonna keep this spoiler on it, get rid of the louvers, get rid of all the stickers on it and everything. Do I keep the wheels or do I put the factory 18-inch wheels? I think originally I was gonna bring it back to stock, but they're kind of catching me now because they're so wide. The car has like a pretty cool stance because of those wheels. Keep them or leave them? Keep them, leave them. Up, down, I don't know. Let me know what to do. I'm thinking go back to stock completely. I don't know. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribing if you're not already. If you are, thank you always. I'll see you later. So I was in an 80s F-body Camaro, but it was a body kit for a Ferrari body kit. So everybody got it right. Curtis Kaiser, Maxi Waxy, Ian Kalam, Walter Stanfeld, Renee Fathi, Bruce Mercier, Mario King, Joe Levesque, Z71, Speed Freak, Missile Victor, Stoke Mustang, Knuckles Moto, SS Car Guy, Car Review, Uma Sarvraz, LRL Official, Vincent Navarez, and BBS, BCV. Y'all got it right. I can't believe how many. And then the list just keeps going because people just keep guessing the right answer. I thought that was like a really hard one. Clearly not to all you car guys.